Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the new lesson and this week. Let's first review what we have taken before. We studied the lesson of the states of matter, which was solid and liquid and gas. You should know which one have a definite shape and definite volume, and you should know examples for the solid and the liquid and the gas. And then we study lesson 2, the measurements. What is measurements? Measurements is to measure something. We have many factors to measure in this lesson, like the length for measuring how long the object is, like the width, how wide the object is, and how to measure the volume and the area. And also we have a density. What is a density? To know the density is to know whether this object will sink in the water or will float above the water. So how can I know? You have to know that the density of water is equals to 1. If I have something that has a density more than 1, this means it will sink in the water. And if I have something that's less than 1, this means that it will float above the water. This is the density. So what is the new lesson about? The new lesson is about classifying matter. What's meant by classifying? Classifying is making types of something. So we want to divide the matter into metals and non-metals. What is metals and what is non-metals? First, you have to know what's element. Element is the building unit of the matter. Matter is everything around us that has a mass and has a volume. So the matter is this. The element is the substance that's made up only of one matter. Like if we were talking about a chair that's made up of iron, the iron is the element, and this element of iron is made on only of one type of matter, which is only iron. We have a metal and we have non-metals. The metals it's shiny, it can be bent or hammered into different shapes. We have many examples for the metal, like iron, aluminium, and copper, and like gold and silver. And also the metals allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily, but the non-metals, they don't have any properties of these metals. And this is a practice. You just have to read it and write if it's metal or non-metal. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the lesson.